Hello everybody, this is Fixer Daddy again. One of the things you got to do as part of the homeowner's maintenance is to make sure your air conditioner in summer is running at peak capacity, has good performance. One of the things you got to do is clean out the return air vents. I have 3 of these. I've cleaned 2. This is the last one. It's in the kitchen pantry area and the floor, close to the floor. So what you did is there's screws that go in here. You just unscrew them, pretty much straightforward flathead screwdriver, and these come out. Generally, they'll always spill some dust and stuff, so it's maybe a good idea to put paper or some trash to protect your floors. The next thing to do is just vacuum the top here. Just you can see the dust here. Just vacuum this out, and then I generally also kind of pry this open, and you can see it's kind of coming off from there. As you pry this open, if you haven't done it in a while, it'll peel off some of that paint here. So when you put it back together, you may want to paint it again, or just kind of get a little brush, and if you have this same kind of paint, just paint over that. But the idea is to clean it out, look through underneath the vent, inside the vent, and see if there's any cake, dung, and debris that you want to vacuum out. I use this small shop vac, pretty powerful but small. It's able to take care of the situation. So let me do that and I'll be right back. First thing, before I even take this off, I'm going to just vacuum the top. That cleans a bunch of the dust right on there. So let's start that. It'll be a little noisy, so bear with me. You can see as I'm peeling it off, kind of some part of the paint's coming out, but that's okay. And you can see the inside of this, not too bad. There's some dust here, some over there, so I would just use the shop vac to clean it out. Maybe go a few feet down as long as this shop vac will extend in, and try to clean this stuff out, and this will help the AC work more efficiently. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright everybody, we got this vent cover off, and it's very dirty. Best way to clean that, in my opinion, is dip it in soap water for 5-10 minutes, and then start cleaning with a old toothbrush with soapy water on it, and these streaks of dark dust and stuff, they start coming off, but need some scrubbing. So before you put it back on, I would recommend cleaning this thoroughly, and it'll look nice once it's back on there. That should conclude my vent cleaning video. Subscribe, like, share, and stay safe out there.